So next paste of our discussion is stored grain weevil. This is a stored grain paste. This photograph is of stored grain weevil. This is a coleopteran insect having this mouth contains this strong proboscis. Mouth, that is head, then thorax and abdomen. These are the legs, 3 pairs of legs. This is antenna. And this abdomen having this cover, that is called elytra. Elytra, 4 wings. Elytra means 4 wings. So here this is the classification. Phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Coleoptera. So all these beetles comes under Coleoptera. Family of the stored grain weevil is Curculionidae. Curculionidae. Genus Cytophilus oryzae. Again I read phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Coleoptera, family Curculionidae, genus Cytophilus oryzae. Host material on which they attack: wheat, rice, barley, sorghum, corn, etc. The rice weevils are internal feeders, which means this larva develops inside the whole grain kernel. दाने के अंदर, जैसे गेहूं का दाना, बार्ली का दाना, सॉर्गम का या मकई, कॉर्न, इसके अंदर उसकी लार्वल डेवलपमेंट और प्यूपल डेवलपमेंट होती है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रेन केर्नल. जो अनाज का दाना है, दैट इज ग्रेन केर्नल. हैबिटेट: राइस weevils are usually found in grain storage facilities or processing plants, infesting wheat, oat, barley, rice, corn. Sometimes found infesting beans, sunflower, seeds, dried corn, etc. Rice weevil do not bite, nor do they damage wood or furniture. It means rice weevils found in the storage facilities, means godown or processing plants, rice mill, like that. They infest wheat, gehu, oat, barley, rice and corn. Sometimes they infest on beans, sunflower seeds, dried corn. And they do not bite to human being, nor they damage the wood or furniture like the termites. They do not damage the furniture. Life cycle: the adult female of rice weevil lays an average of 4 eggs per day and may live in 4 to 5 months, producing 250 and to 400 eggs. The lifespan of adult is 4 to 5 months, and the female lays 4 eggs per day, and total lifespan she lays 400 eggs. The egg hatch in about 4 days. Incubation period is 4 days. The larvae feed inside the grain kernel for average 27 days. That is the larval lifespan, 27 days. The pupal stage lasts an average of 6 days. That is ranges from 5 to 12. That is the range. 5 in winter, 5 in hot summer season, and 12 in a winter region. The new adult will remain in the seed for 3 to 4 days while its cuticle hardens and mature. Cuticle means skin. Gradually it becomes hard and mature. So this diagram showing the life cycle. So this female oryzae laying egg inside the cavity of this seed kernel. Now here inside this seed kernel the larva is present. The larval period is 25 to 30 days. Inside the same kernel, दाने के अंदर प्यूपल स्टेज है 4 to 5 days, and then after 4 to 5 days this pupa emerge into this adult. So this is the life cycle: adult, egg, larvae. 4 larval stages are there: pupal stage and adult. Eggs were laid singly inside the cavity of the grain. The eggs were oval in shape with one end pointed and other end rounded. This is the shape of that egg. One end is pointed and other end is rounded. Freshly laid eggs were translucent. Translucent means not transparent. Complete transparency is not there. Ardhapardarshi we can say, translucent and white in color, and became opaque before hatching. Became opaque, अपारदर्शी हो जाते हैं, अपारदर्शी, नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट, opaque before hatching. The incubation period ranged from 4 to 6 days at the ambient temperature of 15 degree to 34 degree centigrade. If we consider this is the temperature, then the egg hatching period is this 4 to 6 days. And relative humidity is 58 to 89% relative humidity. Larva. Under laboratory conditions there were 3 molds and 4 instars. 3 बार मोल्ड होते हैं और टोटल 4 लार्वल इंस्टार्स स्टेजेस, लार्वल स्टेजेस होती हैं. Larval development took place inside the grain. Grubs are apodous. Grubs means this larval stage in Coleoptera is called grub. जैसे कि ये लेपिडोप्टेरा में कैटरपिलर बोलते हैं, डिप्टेरा में मैगोट्स बोलते हैं, मैगोट्स, वैसे कोलियोप्टेरन लार्वल स्टेज को ग्रब बोलते हैं. ग्रब इज अपोडस. अपोडस, पोडा मीन्स लेग, अपोडस मीन्स विदाउट लेग्स, हैविंग नो लेग्स. Short, stout, yellowish white in color with a brown colored head. These are the characteristics of that grub. Strong, short, stout, yellowish white color and having the brown colored strong head. There are 13 segments with 9 pairs of spiracle, 1 pair in thoracic region and rest on the abdominal segments. Spiracle, this is a respiratory holes on the lateral sides of the body. So 13 segments are there, 9 pairs of spiracles are there. Body is covered with a small setae. Setae means hair-like outgrowth on the body, that is called setae. Larval period range from 22 to 34 days with a mean of this 27 days. The total larval period is 22 to 34. 22 in a hot time and 34 in a winter time, because that is directly proportional to the temperature. Development of an insect is directly proportional to the, when the temperature falls, the development period increases. Pupation took place inside the grains. Pupal period varied from 5 to 11 days with an average of 8 days. Pupal period is total average 8 days. So total life cycle from eggs to adult emergence, obviously eggs to adult emergence, is 34 to 49 days at this ambient temperature 15 degrees centigrade to 34 degrees centigrade, and relative humidity 58 to 89% relative humidity. Adult weevils are about 2 to 3 mm long. The adult rice weevil is a dull reddish brown to black with round or irregularly shaped pits on the thorax, and 4 light reddish or yellowish spots are present on the elytra. Elytra means the four wings are called elytra. The adult weevil can fly and is attracted to light. The larval stage is legless, white to creamy white with a small head. The maize weevil is very similar to the rice weevil but larger. So here in this photograph there is an attack of these maize grains, makai, and these are the Cytophilus oryzae. This is the wheat, gehu, and all this is infested. infestation, that is called infestation attack. Control measures. Control of these insects involves inspection and removal of infested food products. मतलब देखते रहना चाहिए और जो infested food material है उसे discard करना चाहिए. Discarding the heavily infested material. Repackaging material in new containers. Products that need to be retained may be placed in the freezer for several weeks to kill the adults and larvae. Primary measures. Sun drying. In summer's time we have to completely dry the grains for 2 to 3 days, so their larval stages, if there are egg stages, they get killed, and we can store the grains for complete year in the containers. Primary measure. Sun drying of the storing grains. Godowns should be clean, damp proof. Modern store houses with heating arrangement up to 65 degrees centigrade or कूलिंग अरेंजमेंट अप टू 4 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सो ऐसे मॉडर्न अभी स्टोर हाउसेज गोडाउन्स है जिसमें हम टेम्परेचर अंदर इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ हीटर्स. 65 एट द टेम्परेचर 65 द लार्वल स्टेजेस दे गेट किल्ड और दे also killed at low temperature of 4 degrees centigrade. Use of neem leaves. Empty godown should be sprayed with a 0.4% BSC or 0.02% malathion. Fumigation of the godowns by hydrogen cyanide or ethylene dibromide or methyl bromide. Radiation treatment, UV radiation or gamma radiation. These are the measures for the control of stored grain weevils. Thank you.